n8n just dropped something big. The new guardrail feature can be the missing safety layer every AI workflow needed. Think of it as gatekeeper between your users and your AI models, checking everything that goes in and scanning everything that comes out. Here's why it matters. Because it validates user input before it even reaches your AI model. It flags NSFW or off-topic content automatically, and it can detect and sanitize sensitive information such as credit card information, emails, API keys, and let you define your own guardrail with custom rules or regex. So I will walk you through how this works with some of the different types of guardrails. If you don't know me yet, I am June. I'm running AI agency and SEO agency and running multiple products. I'm sharing everything I know about AI to boost your business and become AI first company. So the first thing we can check out is make sure you update it to 1.119. This is required. And you can create a new guardrail like this. So for demo purposes, I put the manual inputs, hello, your phone number, the personal information, welcome AItopia, regular text. And this one is asking if some credentials. And this includes scores and sexual, so not safe for work. And this one is API key, example API key. And we'll go through each section, how guardrail works for each case. So the first one is the keyword. So if you come here, you can always, they have two different modes, text or sanitize. And text, we have 9 different guardrails, including custom one. But right now we added keywords. So if I put password here, then guardrail filters out, doesn't pass if any text includes the password. So if I execute it here, then 4 other text passed while 1 failed. So this one, give me your password. So we are not passing this one. And this is very correct. Similarly, the second case is not safe for work. So if we come here, we're passing the same text here. And now we can have this threshold. I wrote it down here, threshold. You can think of it 0 is safe and 1 is risky. So the higher the score, the more we have to filter out for our safety. I put it in 0.7, or you can put 0.8 or 0.6 to be more conservative. And if we execute this step, we share this one is safe. They said score is 0, so super safe. Welcome to AItopia. But while give me your password is 0.8, and this includes something core, sexual, 0.9, and API key, 0.9. So from our test, we can see they're filtering password and API key also not safe. And this is true many times. At corporate world, you are not allowed to share your password or API key directly on the message or email. That's risky for security. So I think this is correct. And let's move on to our third one. And we can try everything. But the idea here is I want you to understand how this generally works. Once you understand the meta idea here, you don't have to try everything. So here, the last one for guardrail is secrets. So we have 3 different modes here, strict, balanced, and permissive. Most times I use strict to be safest. So let's say we're running this one again. Then this time, only this one, only this API key failed to pass. So this is correct, as we're only passing out if the text includes any password or the text API key. So this one is a little tricky, but it seems like this algorithm doesn't see this one as risky for secret keys. But if I put like password and more information, it might. So let's test that out here. And then our assumption is it should fail them still here. Strict mode. doesn't exclude it. What we can do is we can always create custom message. So it was not customized as the message. It was just custom. You can add custom. And I updated the message like this. So any input containing the word password must be considered a violation. So immediately, whenever in the messages between models, the user inputs, if they ask password, we'll exclude it immediately for safety. If I run it again, now we got 3 passed. And here, password. This one was excluded. This way, we can set up multiple guardrails in sequence or in this way, or the way you want to set up for before sending out to AI. So here I added just another text sanitize. So this is just another different mode. And here what we did was, so we got the selected, and from there, we can actually add some of the credit card, crypto, email address, phone number, etc. So in this case, from this one, we get 4 items: phone number, regular text, like API key. Now we want to sanitize this one. My phone number is, and here the value of the real phone number is reducted. So we're not sending real phone number to AI. In AI model, if we look at their input, now they don't have this one, right? They're seeing only this one. So it's a lot safer because you are not sending out important sensitive data to AI model for your clients. The way I've worked for my clients, I already put these in place with different nodes in code node, etc. But now it's a lot easier to manage. So for us, it's a lot easier to streamline the process without thinking too much about the logging and multiple steps for validations and filtering. So I think this one will make n8n even easier to make use cases. That's it for the video. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and my newsletter too, and I will share more about AI to boost your business and become AI first company.